Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix common errors in Instagram. In order to fix common error in Instagram, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you want to do is in order to fix it, so you can actually try a couple of these steps. So first thing is simple restart. So hold on to your side button and you could see this restart button, right? Click that out and then restart your device. Sometimes the temporary glitch can be fixed. And other than that, what you could also do is you could simply swipe down from the top of your control panel and then you could just long press to the internet connection. Make sure to disconnect it and then at the same time reconnect with your Wi-Fi or a router, and that is also going to help you out to fix common errors in Instagram. Now, other than that, what you want to do is here, you could also locate the Instagram application, or you could just go ahead and long press the app and click on the app info icon and then go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now, clearing your storage is going to delete the data. If you are sure about it, you could do it. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. Now, while you've actually done it, so what next you want to do is you simply want to close all the tabs and then restart your device once again. That can also fix. If nothing works out, then simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it. That might be able to solve your issue all at once. So this way you should be able to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.